Welcome back, everybody. Today, the fire pit told me it was heading out to get a pack of smokes. Will it ever come back into our lives? Well, let's find out. Okay, so you know what today is? Today is daylight savings time. Oh, what does that mean? That means longer daylight. I'm so excited about this because now it begins the transition into summertime, and summertime is where I thrive. Preparing myself for summertime, what did I do? Well, I took on a heap of winter projects. Projects on equipment, projects on my lawn, and today we're going to take a look at what I did in the backyard. There wasn't a whole lot of changes going on. I did do a couple things, but mainly it was fine-tuning everything for my Bermuda grass, for my mowing, to make it easier, more efficient, and to provide the least amount of strain possible for my turf grass. So let's go take a look and see what I did over the winter. As you can see right here, I've made some changes to my edging. I've went ahead and I transitioned this whole area all along here. I extended it out about 3 to 4 inches, but I've transitioned it all to a hand cut edge all along this area. Why did I do that? One, it's going to be a little bit easier for me to mow. Two, it looks a whole lot better. The fire pit is gone. Where did it go? Well, there's been some sneak peeks, there's been things in other videos, photos, things like that, but I've relocated the fire pit over here near the flamingos. Why did I do that? One, because of wear on my turf grass. I was tired of doing all those passes, even though everything lined up and I had some nice dirt stripes. I needed to get those out of the way. So I moved the fire pit over here. I have a whole lot to do over in this area, but all in all, I think it was a good decision. So back in here, nothing's really changed. I have started coming up with a solution around the pool. I went with some shredded rubber mulch to go around it, just due to the kids splishity splashing. I needed something that won't rot. The shredded rubber mulch looks really good and it's doing a pretty good job. I just have a teeny tiny bit more to go with, and that's looking really good. As you can see here though, man, the rye's doing okay. It's not doing too terribly bad. There's still lots of bare areas from dog pee and whatnot, mainly due to her right there, little freaking peer. But it's going okay, and here in a few weeks we are going to see how everything came about, and we're gonna kill it because, you know, that's what we do. I'm really looking forward to seeing how, during my first year growing with the Bermuda and then deciding to overseed, which you're not supposed to do, I want to see how that turns out for me. This will be a learning experience for me, and it will hopefully teach others, yourself, why you should or should not do what I did. We'll find out together because that's what we do. Okay, so there we have it. There's my backyard with what I've done over the winter. It wasn't really a whole lot, mainly just cleaning up some edging, redefining the edging, moving the fire pit, and yes, it did return from getting its pack of smokes. So all is well there. I still have a lot to do in the backyard. I'm racking my brain with what to do. Finally, now that things are getting warmer, where herbicides will be effective, hopefully the rain will stop. We have had so much rain, it's unbearable. But I can take care of that hill behind me. I'm contemplating a pine straw mulching there just because it's cheap and easy, and I don't feel like lugging 6 yards of mulch through the backyard. But we'll see what I come up with. I do regret not going all Leland cypress or other trees when I did those, but oh well, there's nothing I can do about that. So I hope you all enjoyed this. We're gonna see how everything comes here in a few weeks when I spray out this ryegrass and kill it and let that Bermuda thrive. The backyard here is all south facing, so we should have a pretty early green up with that. So hey, this is Real Low Dad. I want to say thank you for watching, and we're gonna see you next time when we kill some ryegrass. Ooh, it's gonna feel good.